Hi everyone, welcome to itman channel. I'm Young. I'm excited to have you with me today about new plugin for Neovim. I think this is fantastic. And before I dive into the detail, let me tell you a bit about context of this plugin. Lazy Vim, this is a popular distribution for Neovim user. And from version 13, this catch my attention because this is a big new release and it say that a lot of change and improvements and all the thing here because they moved from the core feature from lazy vim to Snacks.nvim, and that's why I think okay, I need to create a try what is this one, and the plugin is fantastic and easy to use. If you look this one, this is just 1 week ago, and now they had more than 700 star already. And I will spend the time a little bit to go over all the thing I want and show you how I migrate my Neovim config to use this plugin. All right, let's look about this plugin, and I will go the detail because this is quite easy to use. The first thing that comes to my eye is either uses. So from here, you can leave that at a default, or you can use this as sample uses. And for me, this is what I want. I want all the thing and all the key maps here, and just copy this to create on my Neovim configuration. Before diving to the demo, let me go overview on the feature. So the big file here, this help when you deal with the big file. Okay, I think that sometimes we have this issue when you open Neovim with like more than 5,000 or 10,000 line in the file. It's maybe very laggy. So this will have you, and buff delete, so just delete buffer, so it will disrupt your window layout or debug, and this is just a nice UI for you. Instead of the print, so you're gonna see this uses here, and it will override the print if you have somewhere it say print something, if you dd, so that you snap debug, and that we saw on the top also. I'm gonna show you right away. And they have two functions related with Git and Git browse, just for you to open the active repo from the file or some useful Git function. And the good thing about this one, if you want to check the detail, just click on the Git folder. Then you go to the README file and we say what is the function, what is this one, how you can customize. Similarly, I found okay, this is like the gig here, so it's good because now it has the flaws. And if you click on the lazy gig, it will have it readme, and you can use this one. This is the default layout, and you can customize, like you can provide the templates for this one, or you can provide the config, what is your config, or the theming, and all the style you want, you can customize. And another one is notify and amplifier. So both is the better. So you if you use lazy vim already, just properly you already know that's one. And then which file is it's the better way, because this one it just help you to open the file quickly, and it delay the plugin loading. So it basically open file right away, then it's lazy the plugin. Rename, I don't use it much because for me I use all plugin that already supports, so I I don't need to do something from there, but for me this already here, and they have similar plugin, and I don't need to do something fancy. So for me this is the way I go, so I skip this one. I don't use this one. Status column, terminal. If you use terminal, this will help you a lot because with this one you can have your buffer on the top and you have the terminal on the bottom. You can have two split easily. I will show this user later. Keep in mind, and you can use this one with AD to manage the position you want is west, so on the your theme. And to go, it is just some generic one you want. Have you to go like line number or something or some option? It will help you. So this all the thing you can use the toggle. And if you want something, you just check out all the function here. And the next one for me, this is the win. This is a window manager. Basically, just help you open a new thing. And example uses here is just open the new TS file. It's just from runtime, depend on your Neovim version, and then it's open at the width 60% and height 60%, and this is the style of the window option. And then finally here the work. So this is useful when you're working on something and you have LB reference. For example, if you open the file with the variable, it will detect right for you. So you can use the jump to navigate between variable. So it's quite cool. And for me, this Snacks.nvim like something general, and you can use this a lot of time. If you set up something new, it's just reduce your loss and reduce your configuration with this plugin. Okay, now time for demo. Let's open terminal and see. And this is my config right now. I had one other actually called Snack. So and also on init.lower, I have some configurations I want to add on off with the config. So Snack here. So you're gonna see this one. This is the way I just define something like global. I want enable something, but init file. So right now I use Snack, and with this in mind, I can see okay. I can see what I can do with this one easily. So this one here is Snack, then I go to Snack file and let me show you what I have. So this is terminal mapping. I learned this tip from Neovim, so I just close this one. Because I use Snack, so I just disable for plugin. So that's a good thing. Use the simple cleaner configuration. So now I don't need this one. And this is AdGate. So this is AdGate for manage the layout. So you can layout post manager. So this one you had depend on the file size with Snack you have can be different position. And there's a layout. Then the users here exactly what I had on README file. I just copy everything there and I found something I use and I lead a otherwise chain. The first one is the fuzzy. So this is the style. They have three options: compass, fuzzy, and minimal. So the fuzzy you see on the top here is exactly what I often have with Neovim notify style. And the status column, so you can see on the left I have this warning, the info icon, and the git status. So I just enable that stuff. And the work here, for example. So if you have this here when you on the line and it's detached by on LSB, and if you have a variable, for example, let me navigate to this variable terminal. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 similar one, and you can navigate between them easily. And then style, this is the custom style. So for the notify, it's just wrap. So we have wing up down option, and like this here, it's just say full string because I think that a good one. And I found this one on GitHub as well. And other people asking how they can customize the style of LadyGit. And now if I open LadyGit here, it's just full string. And how do you use the terminal? You can just see the key map first to easy understand. So this here for dismiss all notification. Then you can I had two for delete the buffer and later get delete the GG. So open this one and you can utilize it. And another one this is git pro so GB by G and because it integrate nicely with wiki so you can see on the right easily. And if you want to change, you can change to whatever you want. So the B is will pro out this by G uppercase B. So you can see the log a file GF. This is the GF. So this is all the thing here. And then GL. So then you had plain blind. So you can see who the change. And terminal they had two options here. So you can define depend on what you prefer. And this is what I just saw you already. So this is just jump between word easily. So it's back and forth. And at the end here you have some user you can define the auto command and it's just exactly the same thing here. You can define something you want more here or just leave as it is. I think this is good already. For me, this is quite cool. And before and this one, let me show you the uses of terminal. I think because that some people will find it weird. Let me open the terminal first time. So this one terminal. If you want to open a second terminal, what should you do? So you need to change from terminal to normal mode. Then you press number 2 and press the key binding for whatever you use to open the terminal. At this moment, it had to have 1 and 2. So have 2 terminal on the bottom and your buffer on the top here. And you can use Control GLK to just navigate between them easily. And at you can also use ASCII to close everything like space U and U. So you had space U E to use close everything. And now if you open the terminal again, it just show one terminal. So that one. And you can see like let's say that iOS. And now I just close. So 2 open terminal. So now the terminal number 2. And you see the content is different now. If I just say cast something like init, something like lure init, something like just for example, just show you something I had this will be different. And I just close, open again. This will back to number 1. All right. If you have any question on this kind of plugin or something you want to share, let me know in the comment. Thank you everyone. Stay tuned next time. I often publish video on very Sunday, and the reason why I do this a lot because I enjoy spend some time sharing knowledge with another people. Bye bye.